Saka, hindi ko alam, kasi hindi ko alam hindi ko lang alam, kasi, hindi ko lang kasi, kung paano i-pronounce yung mga nasasabi ko kapag Filipino, kapag nagtatagalog ako. So, I'm just going to stay English. So, let me just finish this layer. And another layer. Ignore that. I just like to watch drama. Or romance. Or fantasy. And I'm thinking again because it's my first time to have a subscriber, because when I was a little child, I was only subscribing to myself and liking my own videos. And I'm already 11 years old, and I don't know I don't know why I didn't choose. Why I did. Wait. Already 10? No! I missed day 9. No, I messed up. Nah. I'm just go. Since you're all hearing me now, so I'm just going to ping. I'm not scaffolding. Let me just finish this. Yup. Kitty, yup. I just turned I turned 11 last year on September 22. And sorry. If you hear it, I'm so sorry. If you hear the background, I'm so sorry. We're just drinking because it's my grandma's 63 years old birthday. And I don't know. I just visited her last night when it strikes midnight. And on September 22, I'm going to be 12. And I just wanted to someone comment on my video and comment me of what will I do next the next video. I sometimes sing on Star Maker. I don't know. Just don't know. I keep saying I don't know. That's why they sometimes get angry. But they love me so much. And tomorrow we will go have church. And yeah. This is Saturday. I'm just preparing it for uploading on Monday. So just stay tuned on Monday and this I'm uploading this video even if it's invading me. This is unfair of how how people will notice how how fast I built it, and I'm on grade 5, and no, I'm grade 6 now, still elementary.
Hindi ko nga sinasara eh. Di ba nakabukas na? Tinitignan ko nga. Ako nang tawag sa akin yung anak mo. Sino Robert pumasok?
Just going to finish this a while. This is going, and I'm building, and I'm announcing every every subscriber I get, I will build them a room. But I don't know if I'm such a good builder. I just know how to do cubes like these blocks. But I'm going to try my best. Every subscriber I get will get one room in this what I'm building, like a hotel or a warehouse. I don't know. I just think of it. And this is not my first time building this because I just abandoned my first 100 times, but not 100 times 50 or 50 times 100. It's 100 times 100. And some of my friends left me and abandoned the 50. So I abandoned it too. But I don't know.
Hindi nila ba siya talaga eh. O, binuwag dyan sa loob.
Oh no. Come on. Oh man. I just going to wait till the sun completely calm down because I can sleep if the sun is still up.
Nagulat kasi nagkasya sila dun. Bawal eh. Pam-pam. Doon. Tanong nga nila kay Ramon eh. Ay, sabi ko yung mga nag-inuman dito. Nakita siya eh. Sabi mo sa kanila tayo, bawal mo yun.
Yep, it's night now. Sorry. It's completely night. Yay! And also my brother will will play with me tomorrow and my cousins.
Hindi, tawag na siya ni Machu eh. Sabi ko, tumatagay. Sabi ko, tumatagay yan. Sabi ko, hindi tumatagay yun.
I don't know I don't why he picked white bed. He's my life. Let me just finish this wall number 1 and I'm going to end this video.
Hindi nila nakita kung saan pumasok. Yung nakarami, hindi nila nakita kung saan pumasok.
I don't know how bad that is. Yep. Bullseye. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And I don't know how to make an intro yet, so yep. I'm going to get some help with my cousin's sister, older sister, because she is, I don't know, she's good at making intros and or videos, because she makes gotcha complication or videos, and I don't remember her channel, and she forgot about her own channel too, because she is working and her birthday is May 27th.
Hindi nila nakita. Nga nila nakita eh. Eh, di kundi ako lang dito.
Let's make a bet, guys. If I abandon this, then I will place below myself, and I'm sure I will not abandon this forever. My promise and my bet. And if I don't abandon this, you guys will like and subscribe and click the notification bell and comment on my videos every day, every time I upload.